In today's video, I'll show you how to make Google default search engine in Brave browser. So to start, open the Brave browser app, click on the start menu, and look for Brave and open it. Now, once opened, you need to go to the hamburger menu at the right side or the three lines and look for settings and tap on it. Now, once you're on settings, at the left side, you have a lot of options in here. You have appearance, content, shields, privacy, and security. Now, what you need to do is to click on search engine. Now, once you do that, at the right side, so here you have normal window and you see Google right here. Now, if you have a different browser set in here, what you need to do is to tap on change and just look for Google and tap on that and click on set as default. You can also change it for private windows. So as you can see here, it is set to Brave. So I'm going to change that, tap on change and look for Google and tap on it. And at the bottom, click on set as default. And as you can see, for normal window and for private window, both is set to Google. So as soon as you select Google, it will now be set as your default search engine. Now, if you don't see Google in the list, don't worry, you need to scroll down and click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Now, scroll down and under Search Engines, check if Google is listed. If it's there but not set as default, click on the three dots, then select Make Default. And that's all you need to do. So again, you need to go to the three lines right here, go to Settings, go to Search Engine, and change the normal window and the private window to Google. That's basically it. That's how you can make Google default search engine in Brave browser. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.